For problem number 5, we want the area of the circle, which is pi times the radius squared. Okay? Now, a lot of you guys, not a lot, a large percentage, not a large, the people that got these problems wrong didn't understand exponents. So what I mean by that is, what they did is they said, okay, the area is equal to pi. Pi is really like 3.14. And then my radius is 10 squared. But for some reason, they did not, I don't know why, maybe they didn't enter it in the calculator right, but they didn't seem to know that this is 10 times 10 2 times. So now, if you do that in a calculator, there's 2 ways you could enter it in. You could say literally 3.14 times 10 times 10. That gives you 314. Or you could say 3.14 times 10 squared, and that'll give you the same thing. So I'm just going to say this whole thing was equal to 314 meters squared. I'm not quite sure. The other thing was an order of operations. What I noticed some people do is they actually squared the whole thing. So, yeah, that reminded me of something. Some people did this. They did 3.14 times 10, which was 31.4. Then they squared 31.4, and they would get this crazy number of 980. That's wrong. In other words, some people did 3.14 times 10. That would be 31.4. Then they said 31.4 times 1.4 times itself 2 times, and you get this crazy number. That was wrong. Okay? The best way to do it is 3.14 times 10 times 10. Okay? For some reason, they thought that you had to multiply things straight through. Remember, on order of operations, it's please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That means that you're going to do parentheses first, then you're going to do exponents, then you're going to do multiplication, then you're going to do division, then you're going to add, and then you're going to subtract. Always. So in this case, you do the exponent first. In other words, you're going to say 10 times 10 first. Okay?